So we are going to discuss about stack using array. So we have an array. Consider this an array. Call this data. The name of the array is data. Now there are various ways you could initialize the top of the stack. You could do top equals to -1, but I am doing top equals to 0 initially. And now stack has two things: push and pop. Right? When we are pushing the data to the stack, pushing an element E in the stack, how will you do it? And let's see that by using an example in this scenario. I want to push 1 and 2. Then what will happen? 1, 2, and note that top will be pointing here because I have initially taken top as 0. 0 means the next empty slot. So top will be pointing, when I insert 1 and 2, it will be pointing to third box. So the code to push the element to an array will be, if the array is full, simply we can say overflow. Else, if in case the array is not full, then we have to insert. How will we insert? Remember that I took top equals to 0 initially. So that means I can already put the element on data top. What I mean is that I can already say data top equals to E, because I already have the top index as the empty slot. And then I also need to increment the top counter. That's all about pushing an element to a stack using array. Now let's see about popping an element. So when I want to pop an element, what should be there? Pop might or can return the element that is being popped. So you can say int pop, or it doesn't take any parameters. Assume we have this sort of array stack 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you should remember that stack is a last in first out. So your last came 4, it will go out first. So how will you do that? At this point, when we are at 4, the top is in next slot. We want to return the element that is being popped, that is 4. So what we have to do is that element equals to data top -1, because top is here. You want to get this element, so you write top -1. But actually top is not decremented. We are just getting the data at that index. We need to decrement the top, because this element, this position will be free, and this top always points to the next free slot. And we can return E. In the case that array is empty, we can just say underflow error. That's all about it.